To export a Best Places state comparison, start by visiting the Best Places website and selecting the Compare option from the top menu. Choose the 2 states you want to compare by clicking on the drop-down menus and selecting the desired states. Once you have selected the states, you will be taken to a page that displays a comparison of various factors such as cost of living, crime rates, education, and climate. Review the comparison data to ensure it meets your needs. To export the comparison data, look for the Export or Print option, usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Click on this option to open a new window with export choices. Select the format you want to export the data in, such as CSV, PDF, or Excel. Choose the specific data fields you want to include in the export, such as demographics, economy, or housing. After selecting the export options, click on the Export or Download button to save the comparison data to your computer. You can then use this data in a spreadsheet or other document for further analysis or reporting. It is a good practice to review the exported data for accuracy and completeness before using it. You can also use the exported data to create custom charts, graphs, or tables to help visualize the comparison results. By following these steps, you can easily export a Best Places state comparison and use the data to inform your decisions or research. Remember to always verify the data source and methodology to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the information.